Hello and welcome to episode 5 of The Bottom Line, brought to you by Telecom TV and sponsored by IBM. Whether it's roads, railways, waterways, or gas and electricity and other utility grids, every country on Earth has an infrastructure and network of some kind or another. In this programme we look at how communications technologies and networks can be used to help bring about a smarter world for the benefit of all.
Smarter transportation is about traffic management. Smart systems can help reduce waste, increase speed and meet demand where it's needed. Over my shoulder you can see an electronic tolling gantry which raises money but also helps manage traffic demand.
ERP is electronic road pricing. Essentially it's based on economics principle that you should price for any scarce resource. And road is treated as a scarce resource here. So we price according to the demand for the use of that road space. If it's a very high demand road, we would have to price it at a higher level as compared to another road where there's lower demand. And in doing this, we help to distribute traffic, we help to manage demand for the use of the road space and therefore keep traffic flowing, reduce use of fuel, reduce pollution.
Utilities companies all over the world have massive networks that are becoming increasingly instrumented, and that's an important part of our Smart Planet initiative. So the instrumentation allows you to have a far greater insight into what's actually happening in your network, what your customers are actually doing, how consumption patterns and behaviours are emerging.
Topics like smart metering, smart grid can actually all work together to really create that smart house that has been talked about.
Most people don't want to have to pay attention to when they turn on and off their lights, when their air conditioning goes on and off, that sort of things. So in point of fact, with modern sensors, you can have a computer in your house that is wired up online, and a computer can communicate back to you and say, can we turn off this device, and this device during the day? It looks like you take a shower in the morning. There's no reason to keep water hot all day.
There's been pilots run, and just by having the information available in a smart meter, and really nothing more than a monitor that shows you how much energy consumption you're using, was able to drive 10, 15, 20% reductions in the households.
What's the bottom line to take away from this episode? Well, it's that service providers have a tremendous, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to work with transportation and utility companies to develop, deploy, manage and exploit smart metering, smart grids and smart transport systems.
IBM is helping utilities customers all over the world to instrument their networks, to find out more about what's going on in their networks, and to optimize their businesses based on the intelligence that they can glean from a better instrumented environment.